Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to be here with you today as you embark on the exciting journey of building your own Amazon business. I know that this can seem like a daunting task, but I want to remind you that you're capable of achieving great things if you approach this business with the right mindset. The first thing I want to talk to you about is having a curiosity mindset. And you've already done that by watching these videos. And as an entrepreneur, you're already curious by nature. You're driven by a desire to explore new opportunities, but I want to encourage you to take that curiosity to the next level. Embrace the unknown, ask questions, and follow the steps laid out in this program. It's through this process that you'll be able to build a successful Amazon business. Another important aspect of building a successful business is perseverance. The only way to fail is to give up. There will undoubtedly be challenges along the way, setbacks, roadblocks, and moments of doubt, but I encourage you to keep pushing forward. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, and use those lessons to fuel your determination. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced obstacles and setbacks. It's how you respond to those challenges that'll determine your ultimate success. The lesson here is failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the process. Finally, I want to talk to you about the importance of showing up every day. It won't be easy, and there'll be times where you feel like you're not performing at your best. But the key is to keep showing up. Even if you can only give 50 or 60% on some days, that's still better than giving up altogether. Success isn't about being perfect every day. It's about consistently putting in the effort even when it's hard. So my message to you today is this: embrace curiosity, persevere through challenges, and show up every day. You have the potential to build an amazing Amazon business, and I'm excited to see where your entrepreneurial journey takes you. Believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up. The sky is the limit.